As the world thrives closer through globalization, our environmentalist silently bears the weight of our connection. In the quiet town of Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas, simple living and care. Change is felt in the earth, water, and air. And peaceful town rooted in tradition, yet shaped by innovation. We witness how global change shapes our culture, economies flow, and the balance of the world we've come to know.
Sa bughang nakalangitan, ako'y nakatingin. Tanging dalangin, huwag sanang maglaho ang lahat ng ito.
Presenting Roots of Change, a tree planting initiative for a greener Mataas na Kahoy. Roots of Change, it represents a community's united effort to combat the environmental effects of globalization through meaningful tree planting, proving that even small acts of growth can create lasting change for a sustainable Mataas na Kahoy. This project focuses on understanding how globalization influences Mataas na Kahoy's environment, from its green landscapes to its modern developments. By examining these changes, we aim to raise awareness and inspire suitable action within the community that would definitely encourage our fellow citizens to do better for the own goodness of our generation. Going back to the history, before globalization, Mataas na Kahoy's economy relied heavily on agriculture, with coffee, abaca, and fruit sustaining the town's livelihood. Life was simple, connected, and deeply rooted in family traditions. And today, modernization spreads. New businesses, resorts, and online stores have emerged. These developments create more job opportunities and increase tourism. However, this also introduced challenges to environmental sustainability. And to align this in our Sustainable Development Goals or the SDGs, the main goal of this project is to promote awareness of globalization's environmental impact and to encourage sustainable practices in the community. This supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially the SDG 13 Climate Action, SDG 11 Sustainable Cities and Communities, and SDG 15 Life on Land. It also connects to SDG 11 and SDG 15 since promoting eco-friendly communities and protecting our land and also the ecosystems are very essential to keeping Mataas na Kahoy both livable and sustainable. And here are the possible outcomes that we expect. First is to sustain the environmental challenges. Second is to restore the local biodiversity. And the third one is to improve air quality and reduce carbon emissions. And the fourth one is community awareness and sustainable behavior. To sum up, we expect that tree planting helps restore ecosystem balance by providing habitats for native species absorbing carbon dioxide and oxygen, and also by promoting environmental participation among residents, students, and local leaders. It also offsets pollution caused by transportation and industrial growth, leading to cleaner and healthier air. And with that, we propose Roots of Change. The first step to join in this activity is to have a membership. It is free to anyone as long as you are interested, you can join. There is also no registration fees and you only need consent form that you want to be part of the organization, that you upheld the mission and visions of your community and the project itself. Members must only commit to attending meetings and participating in tree planting events under special occasions. Occasions for tree planting. Tree planting activities are tied to meaningful community or personal celebrations like weddings, anniversaries, or even local events. Birthdays are excluded to avoid over-frequent activities and to keep the events special and purposeful. When it comes to monitoring, every month, every member together with the SK Federation should have a monitoring process through meetings and actual monitoring of their activities. This will be reflected and to monitor their progress in a specific activity. They should have also a meetings, seminar per month to stay active and encourage more citizens to be part of the organizations. And after that, we have a recognition. At the end of each year, active members receive a certificate of participation and a proof of environmental involvement, recognizing their contribution to sustainability. And in order for us to achieve the project, we use qualitative methods including interviews, observations, and photo documentation to gather data from residents and local sectors. And this approach helps us to capture real experience and insights about globalization's aspects, specifically the environmental effects. And for the budget for this project, we estimate 15,000. First, in orientation and meetings, 1,500. Tree seedlings or saplings, 6,000. Planting tools and materials, 5,000. Monitoring maintenance, 1,000. And recognition and awarding ceremony, 1,500. Our project requires a starting budget of estimated 15,000 pesos. The funds will primarily come from community and local business donations as well as in-kind contributions. Each peso will go toward tree seedlings, planting tools, and community activities by ensuring that every contribution grows into a greener Mataas na Kahoy. And this is our timelines. By week 1, it is the orientation and membership drive. By conducting an orientation meeting to introduce the project goals, invite participants, and assign volunteer committees such as logistics, documentation, and communication. By week 2, planning and coordination. By meeting with ASCII officials for partnership and finalize the Play for a Cause fundraising event, it identify planting sites and needed materials. By week 3, it is all about fundraising and resource gathering. By implementing the Play for a Cause event to raise funds, we gather donations of seedlings, tools, and other materials needed for planting. And for the week 4, it is the tree planting activity. By conducting the tree planting event during a meaningful community occasions, involve residents, volunteers, and SK in planting and documentation. And for the last week, it is all about the evaluation and recognitions. We evaluate project outcomes, monitor planted trees, and hold a short awarding ceremony to recognize active members with certificates of participation. To sum up, the project follows a 5-week timeline starting with orientation and planning, followed by fundraising, implementation, and lastly, the recognition. Each week marks a milestone toward uniting the community and rooting change through environmental action. And for the risk management, we see some potential challenges including unfavorable weather, limited community participation, and not enough budget to implement this kind of project. And to overcome this, our team plans flexible schedules, encourages more participants since it is free, and coordination with local officials to ensure smooth and successful implementation all throughout Mataas na Kahoy. And as we all know, globalization connects us all, shaping how we live and how we treat our planet. Mataas na Kahoy story remind us that progress should never come at the cost of nature. With awareness, cooperation, and sustainable choices, we can ensure that growth and green living walk hand in hand. Together, we can make Mataas na Kahoy not just a developing town, but rather a great model of environmental harmony and community strength.